The OnePlus 16 is expected to launch in China around October 2026, followed by a global rollout in late 2026 or early 2027, with leaks pointing to incredible features that would make the device one of the best flagship smartphones of 2026. According to the details, the device will feature a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED display with a 185Hz refresh rate. Leaks also suggest it will feature ultra-thin 0.9mm symmetrical bezels. The device would also come with a brand new design that replaces the classic circular camera module with a cleaner square or vertical camera island. It's also going to have an AI dedicated button. On the camera side, OnePlus may drop Hasselblad branding and switch to its own DetailMax imaging engine, and it's also going to feature a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera with OIS support, a 50MP ultrawide, and a huge 200MP periscope telephoto camera with 3 times to 3.5 times optical zoom and OIS, and the selfie would be a 32MP camera with autofocus. Powering everything could be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 or 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, paired with LPDDR6 RAM and an upgraded 3D cryo velocity cooling system for sustained gaming performance. The device is expected to come in different memory configurations, with the base model having 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Now, the biggest feature here may be the battery. According to the details, the device would pack a massive 9000 mAh silicon carbon glacier battery with 100 watts to 120 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. The device is expected to come in different color options, including infinite black, mist purple, and a premium sand dune or vanilla finish. Now, in terms of pricing, well, the device will be arriving in different memory configurations, as I said earlier, but pricing is estimated between $899 to $949. But as I said earlier, the device will come in different memory configurations, so the higher the memory, the higher the price, but it's expected to cost up to $1,000. The device is also expected to run OxygenOS 17 based on Android 17 out of the box. Now, one final thing, while rumors continue about changes to OnePlus's international strategy, the company has denied reports of a complete global exit. Anyway, that's it for the latest updates regarding the OnePlus 16. If I could get more details about the device, I will definitely share with you guys. And have in mind that these specs are based on leaks and rumors, so please take them with a pinch of salt. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.